Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Espresso testing for Android UI automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start with, you need to set up your Android Studio environment. First, open Android Studio and navigate to your project. Make sure your project is set to use the latest version of the Android Gradle plugin. Next, open the build.gradle file for your app module. Add the Espresso dependencies under the Dependencies section. You will need to include the Espresso Core and Espresso Intense libraries. Sync your project to ensure the dependencies are downloaded. Now, create a new directory for your test files. Go to the SRC folder and locate Android Test. Right-click on the Android Test directory and select New, then Package. Name your package according to your app's structure. Now, create a new Java or Kotlin class for your test. Start with a simple class name like Main Activity Test. In the newly created class, annotate it with @runwith Android JUnit4.class. Next, use the @before annotation to set up your tests. In the setup method, call activity test rule for the activity you want to test. This will ensure your activity is launched before each test runs. Now, let's write your first test method. Use the @test annotation for your test function. Inside the function, you will interact with UI elements using Espresso's API. For example, you can use onView with ID, r.id.your_view_id.perform, click to click on a view. You can also add assertions to verify UI behavior after interactions. Use onView with ID, r.id.your_view_id.check matches is displayed to check if a view is displayed. Once your tests are written, it's time to run them. You can run your tests directly from Android Studio. Right-click on your test class and select Run. Monitor the results in the Run window. If any tests fail, check the logs for errors and debug as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.